Welcome! If you're looking to allow Roblox to access your call log on your Android device, you've come to the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps needed to grant this permission. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. You can find this in your Apps drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon in your Notifications panel. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on it to open the list of applications installed on your device. Now, look for Roblox in the list. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. After you've found Roblox, tap on it to open the app info page. Here, you'll see various options related to the app. Look for Permissions and give it a tap. Now, you'll see a list of permissions that Roblox requires. Find Contacts in the list and select it. This is where you can manage how Roblox interacts with your contacts. To allow Roblox access to your call log, simply tap on Allow. And that's it. You've successfully granted Roblox permission to access your call log. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Roblox experience.